Of the three UPSC aspirants who drowned in a coaching center basement, today the Supreme Court slammed the Delhi municipal body, saying no respect for law in the MCD and what action has been taken against the area officials. Why are officials not being sacked yet? This is after three UPSC aspirants had died in a basement. It was a basement library, and the area where this coaching center had been flooded during the rain earlier in July, and this had led to the basement being flooded in the old Rajinder Nagar area. This is an area which is full of these coaching centers, and since then a lot of the information and a lot of the failings of the MCD have come to light. The fact that students there say this is something they face year after year, that they have to wade through knee-deep, sometimes waist-deep water every time it rains, and the Supreme Court hearing in the matter and questioning the MCD, asking why are officials yet not sacked. Let's go across to Ishika now for more. Ishika, what we do know is that one junior engineer perhaps his services had been terminated, another had been suspended, but tell us more about the Supreme Court hearing.
Well, in fact, as far as the MCD's action goes, certainly, as you mentioned, we have seen how the MCD commissioner had terminated the junior engineer, and in fact, the assistant engineer in this matter was suspended, over which the court, in fact, had asked, the Delhi police as well as the MCD that on what basis did they actually, take action against these two junior officers. Now, let me also tell you that today, in fact, the court has asked the Delhi police as to, if, before July 1st, this basement was actually a storage, then why, all of a sudden it was turned into a library.
Has asked as to did Delhi police actually in fact do any kind of investigation in that matter. So over that, certainly now the DCP has replied over it and in fact has said that the Delhi Fire Services has not given any clear answer regarding this matter, and what they are saying, what they are telling Delhi police so far is that that we are also now going to do investigation against them.
All right, and Ishika, if you can tell us more about, the hearing that is underway. We've seen a lot of student anger. There have been protests as well. There's been, this entire political blame game that has been ongoing. And the High Court now slamming the Delhi Municipal Corporation. The court questioning the MCD over what action that they have taken in this entire matter. And remember, this has led to a hue and cry and a lot of outrage that the fact that this library was there in this basement of a coaching center. They had got permission for a storage area, not for a library, yet you had a full-fledged library there with many people in the basement since these deaths took place. In fact, the MCD has sealed several other basements in the area. But the larger issue is also, how the MCD functions in Delhi, and the fact that so many areas where no desilting has taken place, that citizens have to face this sort of year after year, the kind of garbage and water that fills up every time that there is a heavy rainfall. So this has been something that the students have been focusing on. Let's go back to Ishika for more. Ishika, if you can tell us more about this entire case that the court is currently hearing.
Well, yes, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, the court, in fact, had taken cognizance of the matter, and in the last hearing, they had summoned the MCD commissioner in the matter, and in fact, also had asked as to why action has only been taken against the junior officers in the case. Today, well, in fact, let me tell you that Delhi police has also been made a respondent in this matter, and and in fact, the court today has asked the Delhi police as what investigation they have done so far in this entire matter. Now, what the court is also in fact asking here is that before 1st of July, when the entire basement was actually a storage, then all of a sudden, how did it become a library? And did Delhi police do any kind of investigation in that matter? Now, over that, let me tell you that Delhi police has in fact replied to that, saying that it is the Delhi Fire Department that has not given any clear answer regarding that, despite Delhi police questioning them. So now Delhi police is also saying, and this is a very important point, they say, that now the fire fighting equipment, what the Delhi Fire Services has told them, that the firefighting equipment were there, and thus since they are not getting any clear answer apart from this from the fire services, the action will also now be taken against the Delhi Fire Services. So this is a very important point that the Delhi police has made in the court. They are now saying that because no clear answer has been given by the fire department, action will now also be taken against them. Investigation will also be done for, from them as well. Now the court today has also asked that why was it that the students, they were not able to come out. Over that also the Delhi police has responded that so far what investigation they have done is that 20 to 30 students were present at that time when this entire tragedy took place, and then the flow of the water was certainly a lot, because of which there were only few students who were able to get out. There was also a table present in the basement, because of which there was some students who got stuck in that basement. So certainly this is the reply so far that the that Delhi police is in fact replying in the court. They are in fact also saying that the investigation is continuously going on. In fact, they have also said that NDRF, they have also asked NDRF for help, and then then the entire rescue operation was taken place. So certainly now remember that the court in fact had made a respondent, Delhi police a respondent in this matter, and now they are replying as to how far their investigation has proceeded in the matter. They have said that how this entire basement was all of a sudden converted into a library after 1st of July, that after first that certainly answer has not been given by the Delhi Fire Services, and thus the investigation will also be done there, and questioning will be done with the fire department as well.